Okay, so let's see how we should change the code to take full control of the inside of that card. We don't want just links and labels, we want to own the inside. Right, so what we can do is we can just set a custom card and point it to the actual component that will render the inside, which means the Dev UI framework won't take control of rendering it. It will just pass it on to your card and your card will do the work. Your card is now any component. In our case we call it the jokes card. You will see that we can still get the pages of the jokes data. So this will be made available for you so that you can still get to these pages that you've added, right? Because it might not be links with labels, but you might want a link to one of them. All that we're going to do in our label, I'm not going to go through it bit by bit, but we want to actually render a joke. So we'll go get a joke with JSON RPC, render it in the card, and then create a link that goes to the jokes pages, the full page. So we don't link all the raw data and all the other pages, we just link the last page. So let's see how this looks like. Okay, so I've rebuilt. Let's see. So now you can see that I'm not showing the description, I'm just rendering a new joke, and I can do more jokes, which takes me to the more jokes page. You'll still see your other pages here because you've created them, even though you haven't linked them in the card, they're still available here. But now you can kind of deep link into a specific page and then let the menu pop up here. And obviously if I go back, we've coded in such a way that every time that this renders, we find a new joke. Okay, if you want to display the description and then tell a joke as an example, you by default will be passed in the description as a property. This is now just available for you, and you can just render it like something like this. So let's refresh here. So there you'll see now I have the description and then the joke that loads. And I actually made it so that if you click on it, it actually reloads a new joke. So that's how you can create a custom card, take full control of what's in the card. In this card you can add streaming, you can add whatever you want. This is you in full control now.